Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. If today is your first time of watching me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need 1,000 subscribers to go live. If you have been following me, thank you. God bless you. Please try to share my video. Please, I need 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and God bless you. Yes, I am back again today. What I want to talk about today is about women. I want to talk about women today. Yes, because we women, we know they agree. We know they hear at all. We know they hear words. Many of us have gone astray because of so many things. They want to belong. They want to belong. Yeah, you want to see somebody, you want to be like that person. And we women, we have that thing as a problem. You cannot be yourself. You cannot be yourself. You want to be like A, you want to be like B, you want to be like C. Why can't you be who you are? Why can't you act as yourself? Why do you want to be another person? Why do you want to be another person? You see that somebody is driving a car, you say, hey, nah, look at this car that this woman is driving. I want to be like her. I want to belong. You don't even know what she did. You don't even know how she did it. All you need, you want to be like that person. It's not good. A lot of us are facing that challenges in life, mostly they belong, you might see a group of women, we women, many of us belong to maybe a group. And I didn't say that group is bad, it's not bad. Well, I'm trying to tell you that that group has caused, many group has caused a lot of problem in the family. Yes, why I'm saying this, I didn't say that to belong to a group is bad, but a lot of group is not good. You know why I said it? Because there's nothing that if they go to that group, they are not learning anything good. They cannot learn how to handle their family. Most of them will be there learning how to, take over their man. Many of them are there learning how to do something, learning something that is not good. You see some of them, they are just following one man from one place to another, sleeping around, messing themselves up in order to belong. Because in that group of 18, they will see many people, many of them will be riding a jeep. Many of them will be riding, and those small ones that are not that don't have money will like to be like them, and they will like to belong. Many of them will go to Okon, many of them will go to Dibia and get some charm. Yes, many are doing it. So what I'm trying to tell we women is that please cut your clothes according to your cut your coat according to your clothes. You must not be like somebody. You must not be like some. Be yourself. Be yourself. Don't imitate another person. Don't try to be another person. Be yourself. Be yourself. Okay, so many people will be okay. They will be come in a family like this because of the nonsense. I'm sorry to use that word. Because of all this group they belong, they want to take over the family. Yes, they want to take over the family. Once the man said something, you will see how she will react. She will even be giving the man the authority in the house. And a lot of women are doing it. Let me ask you, is it because you are bringing money in the house that gives you the impetus to talk to the man like that? It's not good. It's not good. God said that women should be under man. Yes, it's not a must. Maybe the man might be bringing something, and maybe at long run something might happen, and he's not capable of bringing money or paying the house rent or paying the student school fee. Then you as a wife, you are his helper. You have to help him. You have to assist him. You have to assist him. That period that you know that he don't have, that is not the reason why you will be talking to him after all. Yeah, after all, I'm the one that is paying the house rent. After all, I'm the one that is paying school fees. After all, I'm the one that is doing this. I'm doing, And since that man is doing that, since he's the one that has been doing it since, and he have not complained for once. And because you just did it maybe for 1 year or 2 years, and you started complaining, and you started talking to the man anyhow, and you started insulting him, it's not good, my dear. It is not good. It's not good. Because this thing has caused a lot of problem in the family. You see the man will just get tired. The man will just be, in fact, start sleeping around. Or not why is in the hero because of Omoro is making at the house. So please, women, you have to be very, 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 very careful. Most especially the kind of friend you keep. It matters a lot. It matters a lot because with the friend in I matters a lot because if you can't beat them, you join them. If you can't beat them, you join them. So I'll advise you to look for that good ones. Good ones. We have good people. I didn't say that women are bad. Don't misunderstand me. We have good ones. Then we have bad ones. So what I'm trying to tell you is that please, we women, let's be careful the type of friend that we are making. Be very, very careful. Because family matters a lot. Family matters. A lot of families are basago because of unnecessary thing. Maybe the woman but in a family because of the money. And may say, because of it, the woman knows she have to go back. So it doesn't make sense. You know that man for better, for worst, for better, for worst, for better and for worse. Whether the man enwere ego tata, the obonyeshi, you will marry him. So please, my fellow women, I'm begging you, as you're listening to me, please take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Why nwere kuye dị na na-adoga nwere ihe dị na this world. Just take life easy. Take it easy with yourself. Take it easy with your family. All hands are not equal. Look at these 5 hands. They are not equal. Actually, ndị ya nọ n'elu, ndị ya nọ n'anụ, ndị ga-anọ n'etiti. So ebe ọ bụ na Chineke debere gị, may accept. Take it that way. You must not be someone. You must not be someone else. Try to be yourself. If your husband is rich, good. If your husband is not rich, good. If your husband is poor, good. Take him like that. Onwere onye mechi, onye bụ ọgaranya tata nwere ike ịbụ ogbenye echi, onye bụ ogbenye echi nwere ike ịbụ ọgaranya echi. Just what you will do is just be focused and be prayerful and work hard. It's not a more that to be a man that will be bringing every time, bringing. You as a woman, you have to help him. You have to assist him. That is why God said that you are a helper to that man. You are a helper to him, not a troublesome, not a quarrelsome, not a nagging one. Please, as I'm talking this, as I'm saying this message, I'm talking to myself because nobody is perfect. We have a lot of everybody have his or her own problem, but we have to know how to minimize it. Nobody is perfect. We have to minimize it. Anyị nwa bụ mmanya ka ọ na-aka njọ, ọ na-aka anyị njọ n'isi. Ọ gbakwara ara anyị n'isi ona, ọ dịka ara na-apụzi onye a. Please, I'm begging you, just take it easy. Take it easy with your man. Take it easy in this world so that this world will enter all of us. Don't belong to bad group. Don't belong to, I didn't say that group is bad, but we have bad ones. They say that by their fruit we shall know them. You got a married woman. She will be behaving like as a amaloma, like yopi, onye anobedidi. You will see her wearing we are living like Oyibo people, but we are not Oyibo. So please be yourself. Be yourself and try to respect your husband in the family and try to organize your family because why na chike ezinụlọ. Why na chiko family. Me family ahụ eyi efe. And you cannot do it without the help of God. You cannot do it without the help of God. So beg God to give you the grace so that you can do it. And with God by your side, my dear, you will succeed. Thank you very much. This is the short advice I have for we women. So please, as you're listening to me now, I believe that you will learn one or two things. Please, you have to amend. You have to amend. If you're a man, you are watching me right now, please share with your wife, share with your friends, okay? Please, and don't fail to subscribe. to my YouTube channel and click the notification so that you will be getting my video. Guess to see you next time. Remember, I stay care for you and I love you and God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye. See you again next time. Bye.